Abdur says, lockdown should end soon with vaccines. Scrapyard war, when and where? I don't know if we'll ever do another Scrapyard wars, to be honest with
Yeah,
you.
yeah, we've kind of seen that through to a certain degree, and
Yeah.
honestly, the one, I think it's kind of been seen through, and two, the environment right now is just terrible. Like, I think Scrapyard Wars accomplished its goal. To be honest,
Yeah.
the goal that Scrapyard Wars had when we first did it was to encourage people to not just buy new things, to spend a little bit of effort, check the used market, and potentially save a huge amount of money.
Learn
That
about
has now,
computers, you know?
yes,
Be an
yeah,
informed consumer. Informed consumers don't always buy the newest, shiniest object.
yeah. And honestly, I think that's quite ingrained in the culture now. And I
Yep.
think a lot of that came from Scrapyard Wars. I think we can be very happy about that.
Yep. We
But
also,
it's been a bit exhausted.
yeah, we also, I think, showed that you can be a PC gamer for a few $100s. There was a
Yeah.
perception not that long ago that PC gaming, master race, whatever, had this barrier to entry where if you didn't have $1,000 to spend, there was sort of this elitist, and there was a community of there was a part of the PC community that unironically felt this way. And I think we kind of dispelled that. We kind of went, no, you don't have to have $1,000 to
Yeah.
and run at the highest resolution to be a PC gamer. And I mean, curiously, you can still run at the highest resolutions, which we showed, and not spend $1,000. I don't know. I think that was a really good thing. It's funny. I was reading a spectacularly stupid tweet today where someone was like, "Oh yeah, that Linus guy. You mean the one that doesn't think there's any problem with the term PC master race?" And it's like, you clearly just have no idea what that term means or ever meant. It's ironic. We're
It's a self joke.
we're taking the piss. We're not actually supporting, eugenics or, whatever it is that you think it's about. It's about making fun of it. The PC master race is a satirical term, and even the subreddit that is now probably the most kind of famous community of people who fly willingly under that banner. Even the subreddit is very clear that you don't have to even have a computer. You just have to love PC gaming. It's not about being exclusionary. It's about being inclusive.
Yeah.
So you've clearly misunderstood.
It's a little weird, but yeah.
You've misunderstood. You're getting hung up on the words and you're misunderstanding the meaning. The original meaning was to make fun of PC snobs, and then PC snobs co-opted it and also did some introspection and kind of went, oh yeah, there's no reason to be snobby about this. Everyone should be welcome. And now, no, I don't see a problem with the term because words are what they mean. And that's what it means. And if you choose to put your fingers in your ears and go, la, 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 it doesn't mean that, it means what I want it to mean. Well, that's on you. I can't do anything about that. So go be mad, right? Like, what do you want from me?
So to quickly summarize the Scrapyard Wars thing,
yeah,
it was like one of my favorite things ever as well. But I think it's kind of ran its course. Kind of sad, but the old episodes are always there, and I think LTT will find new and inventive ways to get across those messages when they deem fit. I think the used market is not wanting or needing that right now, anyways.
Yeah, no kidding.
Not even remotely. So I think there's yeah, that's about it.